Hi, I'm Lynne with Softsquares. Today I am going to build the block 12 of the Bliss Quilt-Along, which is from Fig Tree and Company. It is a block of the month program for a quilt coming through the Fat Quarter shop. It's time to put up all our blocks for the Bliss Quilt-Along and make block 12 and then start working on the finishing kit. So I have my finishing instructions right here, and I'm just going to put the blocks up on the wall, but I'm going to follow the pattern where it says to put the blocks, so they're just kind of up on the wall in the right area. But I'm not doing the finishing kit today. I'm going to do block 12. I just want to see how I should put them on the wall, because I'm going to go into the finishing kit next. So that will be a separate video. Okay, I think that's it. So block 12 is going to go right here. And I've already cut out my pieces for the finishing kit, so after this video, like I said, I'm going to start into that and then just keep adding to the wall. So the finishing kit looks something like this. So it's going to have 4 blocks like this in the middle, and then a bunch of flying geese and some sashing with cornerstones, and then more flying geese and a border. So there's going to be a lot of steps to that. Let's see where we go. Okay, let's go to our block instructions. I don't get the box anymore, the Sew Sampler box, so I do have to go online and purchase the pattern. So here is my printout, and I've gone ahead and already cut out my pieces. And now I'm going to show you how it comes together. Alright, first thing we do is you cut everything out, you label it. Then it says to take the C block, which is a nice big square, and to draw a line on it. And my favorite way for half square triangles is to crease it with an iron. So I have actually gone ahead and already done that. So I have 8 of these, and now these are going to be paired with, let's see, C and A. They're going to get paired up like this. And then I'm going to go to the machine. And so make sure I have the right direction, faced together, and then go to the machine and go through. So I'm going to take this whole little stack over to the machine to do that. Next, it says those are going to be used. We'll do that later. Okay, so now there's a bigger block. We're going to take the G, and we're going to put the 2 F's, one on each side, and then take the E block and put one of those on each side. So we're going to make this block and all these half square triangles, and then come back. I said that there were 8 little triangles. I lied, there were only 6. So let's press this open. These I'm going to cut before I press them, but here's my center of that block. You know, I didn't take my instructions over to the table, so I have to go fix this. So what it is I had sewn right on the crease. I was supposed to sew a 1/4 inch on each side of that. So I'm just going to take it back and sew it the right way. Alright. So now just cut them in half, press them open, and I should have 12 half square triangles. I need to square up, but let's see where we we are. All right, so what is next is we take these, we lay 4 of them out like this, and then another 4. Oh, sorry, 3. I'm doing 3s. It says make 2 of each. Let's see. So what we're doing is we're doing this. Making 2 of these. And then we're going to make 2 of these. Let's see. Okay, brain. There. Okay, so I'm going to sew these columns together and these rows together. And then we're going to go to this block, and these rows right here are going to go on the sides of the block, and then this will be the top and the bottom, and they'll all orient and just go around in the right directions. This block came together like really easy, really nice. Very pleased with that. So this is block 12. Now it's on to the finishing instructions. Okay, so there's block 12. I can add it to the wall.